Well, happy Wheel Seal Sunday, boys and girls.
I'd say we're winning. Caught it really early. Didn't get any on the brake lining or the drum.
Bro, you should put new brake linings on. There's a lot of life lessons in you dumb.
The wind was unbelievable here last night. It sure raised hell with all these new little young leaves on these trees. Shaggy, do you even get... Got that just in time. She just started puking, boys.
That's my buddy Jack.
How many of you guys have ever been in a real big hurry and drove your seal in and forgot to put the inner bearing in first?
I might have done that a time or two over the years.
I might have forgot to put the drum back on a time or two also.
I also put orange Permatex silicone whatever around the outside of the seal before I drive it in for good measure. But mostly, you guys off.
You should be using the new Rev Max seals.
It's a wee bit warmer today. It's raining again. There's one Sunday fun day job done.
Now I just decided we're going to check all the air pressure and all the tires. God, I hate doing that. There. Tires are all at the same pressure now.
Now we're going to work on this broken suspension bolt.
If you saw yesterday's video, I broke a suspension bushing bolt. I don't know why. I've never broke one before. But here we are. And it's fracking broke.
Oh yeah, Daddy! Bruh, you're never gonna get that bolt out of there!
This ain't my first day on a job, boys. I've changed a ton of Peterbilt suspension bushings and bolts. The key is grease out of them.
When the hammer's 40 feet away and you're in doubt, just wrench it out. There. Get this fender back bolted on. Got the new bolt all in it. Ain't going nowhere, boys.
Bro, why are you hitting on old Blue? Well, sometimes you gotta give him a little attitude adjustment.
After a little beating and swearing, that is way more gooder.
I'd say it's time for a well-deserved hot dog break. How about it?
It's like the wife we don't aim. Got us all stocked up for the holiday, but then we got this problem.
I haven't figured out whether it's an input or an output problem. My buddy Brian Ritz out in Western PA sent me all these dingleberries. I must put them on Old Blue to ward off the evil spirits. Thanks. I just gotta know. I must admit, I love those new slippers.